Thank you po. Welcome po.
Assignment, so ito yung gagamitin natin. Pero syempre, bigyan natin ng general overview tungkol sa...
Pili ko sa pang mango grape. Ano mo? Isa lang.
Magbabalibol yan. Ayaw na agad. Di paano ko na alam? Ba't tigas yung sa akin? Software lang.
Make me sweet. Make me harder.
Gagi mo na si Super Mario. Irampa mo yan, bading. Irampa.
Hey, wala.
Brand.
Idol lang ata yung sinasabi ko. Pizza pa yan.
Anong likely call pag-graduate mo siya? Call, mag-study ka pa. Sa fast food ang hawak.
Today is June 20, Thursday. I'm currently doing my not so good ready with me because I'm going to attend my one classes today, which is Tamarao. Ito lang yung dadalhin ko. Then, a wallet. Earbuds here, alcohol. Try lang guys this kasi baka malawag ako. That's it.
Kapahulugan, mula sa pitong dayuhan na inampok na sa wikang
Sa'yo na lang din toyo.
And I have beer turtle.
Ano niya pang kita games.
Hoy, nakakaaliw siya. Nakakaaliw.
Ganyan tita ko.
June 26 and it's Wednesday today and the time is 10:45 a.m. and I'm going to school because I'm going to meet my college bestie. Magbabanding kami and I'm going to attend my WRP classes after. So I'm just get ready ng konti lang habang hinihintay ko tumila yung flat. So ayun lang naman. Just using 2 products. So that's it.
Dear, nasan ka na? Hinahanap ka rin niya.
Kainin namin bakit.
Ni Alex.
Ay, nagputi siya! Ang doktor to ba? Bayad mo.
Sa'yo yung next, ay hindi, kay, ewan ko kanina.
Bayan niyo ako. Alam mo na, impromptu.
Magaling kayo mamaya.
Ano, mag-i-interpret ka na?
But I'll keep you company. I'm sure it's my love that gets you stuck from playing.
Hey! Are you ready, guys? What's up, people?
Wala.
Ugali mo'y nakakastig. Kung hiyahin mo ko talagang nakakastig. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Lagi na lang ako.
Type na yan.
Look up. Look up.
Thinking about me every night, oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can't see, baby, I know that's the me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't see, baby, I know that's the me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. My given